Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we will discuss what is the use of mask attribute on the BotPenguin platform. So while you are creating a team member, you can use the mask attribute, using which you can select all the attributes that you do not want to be shown to the team member. To use the mask attribute option, on the left hand side you'll have to go to the team section. Here you'll find 4 different subsections: team, business hours, members and rules. To create a team member and use the mask attribute, you have to go to the members section right here. On the right hand side, you'll find the add team member button. Just click on that. From here, you can create a new team member. If you want to know about it in detail, then the video link will be given in the description box below. You can check it out. You can use the mask attribute from here. You'll be shown the list of all the attributes that you have created, and you can select all the attributes that you do not want to be shown to this team member that you are creating. You can do the same thing for all the team members you create. That's it. That was all about the use of mask attribute on the BotPenguin platform. If you need any help, you can refer to our help documentation. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.